Hey guys, it's Chef Kayla with Waller Adventures, and today we're going to show you how to make chocolate covered peanut butter balls for Christmas. So stick around and we will show you how. So for this recipe, you're going to need powdered sugar, you're going to need candy coating, graham crackers, peanut butter, butter, and milk. So the first thing you'll need is 2.5 cups of graham cracker. They normally sell graham cracker already in the crumbles, but we couldn't find any. So we just got your basic graham crackers and we put them in our Ziploc bag and we're going to crush them with a rolling pin. Then you'll need 2 sticks of butter. Alright, so we're going to stick it in the microwave for a couple minutes till all of it is melted. So the next thing you'll need is 1 box of powdered sugar, but now they don't sell them in boxes anymore. But we got a 2-pound bag of sugar, so you'll only need a pound of sugar, and a pound of sugar equals 1 box. So we're going to put our 2.5 cups of graham crackers in. So we got our putting our sugar in. Yeah. Right, it's about half of it. Then we're gonna just mix it together. Yeah. So your mixture should look like this. Alright, so all of our butter is melted. So you need 12 ounces of peanut butter. Sometimes we use crunchy, sometimes we use creamy. Creamy works a little better, but we like crunchy better. So this is 28 ounces, so we're probably going to use about half of it. And we're going to put it in our butter. Then you want to stir it all in. So you want to mix it up pretty well. There's a little bit of clumps in it, but it's pretty much mixed. Then you want to put in your peanut butter and butter mixture into your sugar and graham cracker mixture. Once you put all that together, you'll need 3 tablespoons of milk.
Dump you.
I'm trying not to. Alright, so now that all of our ingredients are in there together, it's time to mix it up by hand. It's going to get messy.
Yeah, by hand, that's right. It's some kind of messy.
Yeah, I think I might use some more sugar.
Try that. I might have to put some more in.
Yeah.
It's sweet. I know that's half of it. It's supposed to be stiff.
Yeah, that's not stiff yet. So as you can tell, we had to add extra to it. You want it stiff to where you can roll up and make balls with it. But sometimes that happens. You gotta add more to it. All right, so once your stuff is made, your mixture, as you can see, you want to start rolling them out into balls. step you want to do is get your candy coating. We got a pound of it. This is what it comes in. And you want to melt it in the pot. I'm going to break off 2 pieces and set them in there. So you want to keep your heat on low so that way you don't scorch your chocolate.
Yep.
And do not buy the microwavable chocolate because I had problems with that last year. It scorched. Even though directions said for 2 minutes, it still scorched. Alright, so you can see that our chocolate is melting. I put another brick in there. Another little, they look like tablets. Chocolate tablets. But it's starting to melt. Alright, so you can see all of our chocolate is melted. It's ready to go. So you want to take your peanut butter ball, dip it in the chocolate, and you roll it around a bit. It comes out like that. Alright, we have them all laid out on tinfoil. They will get hard. Ones back here are already hard. But yeah, once they are good to go, we'll do a taste test. You want to taste one of them?
Yeah.
I think those over there are hard.
That tastes good.
Alright, so you can see peanut butter ball. They're really good. They're one of my favorites, favorite Christmas candies. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. And make sure you hit that bell icon to get notified on when we drop videos like this one. Also check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And while you're on our Facebook page, you can check out our shop where we sell the Beast Box from Rogue Magnetics. And we have the Entry and Cookbook. In the description below, there is a link to our bigger shop where you can get t-shirts, hoodies, hats, drinkware, and stickers. So thanks for watching. See you soon.